Bajaj? Who is Rahul Bajaj rather? Tell me something about his early life. Yes, anybody? जिसने प्रिपेयर किया बताइए. हेलो.
मैम आवाज आ रहा है आपका?
आवाज मैम नहीं आ रहा आपका.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना. राहुल बजाज के बारे में प्रेजेंट करिए आप. Anybody who has prepared.
मैम राहुल बजाज कौन है?
कौन पूछ रहा है राहुल बजाज कौन है? आपका असाइनमेंट था ना ये बच्चे.
Ma'am, you were teaching about agenda in the previous classes.
That was okay, but then the assignment was about Rahul Bajaj. I know the agenda is on agenda. वो तो agenda में है ही है. agenda में राहुल बजाज है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला
about राहुल बजाज. मैम व्हाट्सएप के कारण टाइम ही नहीं मिला.
टाइम नहीं मिला. आपका सिलेबस में है और टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. तो आपको आपकी तैयारी हो रही है ना बच्चे. आपको बोल रहे हैं I am taking you ahead in your syllabus. Rahul Bajaj is in your syllabus. और उनके बारे में कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
राहुल बजाज अपने क्लास में भी. मैम
इस तरह से अगर करोगे तो सही में कंसर्न हो जाएगा आपके पास. तीन नाम आपको राहुल बजाज, सुभाष चंद्रा और इन तीन लोगों में आपको बताना आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. असाइनमेंट. Nobody has prepared?
मैम थर्ड नेम क्या बोले? राहुल बजाज, सुभाष चंद्रा एंड
नारायण मूर्ति.
नारायण मूर्ति.
अब पार्टी के हैं. Who is नारायण मूर्ति?
Infosys chairman. CEO Infosys.
प्रेजेंट तो नहीं है अभी.
प्रेजेंट नहीं है मैम.
उनीसा चेयरमैन है मैम.
ठीक है, आप बताइए नारायण मूर्ति के बारे में.
गूगल मैम.
कोर्स कंटेंट है ना तुम्हारे पास. पढ़ा करो यार उसको. तुम लोग पढ़ोगे नहीं तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
इंडियन बिजनेसमैन है.
इन किंडरगार्टन.
इन्फोसिस के सीईओ है.
हाँ, उनके बारे में बताइए. उनके इज अर्ली लाइफ.
मैम राहुल बजाज के बारे में पता है?
मैम राहुल बजाज के बारे में बता सकता हूँ.
ठीक है, बताइए राहुल बजाज के बारे में.
बोल सकते हैं राहुल बजाज के बारे में.
अर्ली लाइफ ऑफ राहुल बजाज.
ठीक है, ओके. I told you to make a PPT, but anyways, you tell me something about him.
मैम बनाए PPT.
मैम I make a PPT.
मैम बोले राहुल बजाज पे.
Tell me.
Rahul Bajaj is born on 10 June 1938.
Yes.
It is an Indian billionaire businessman.
Okay.
He is the chairman emeritus of the Indian conglomerate Bajaj Group and a member of parliament.
Yes. Are you reading from the content? Good.
Member of parliament.
Bajaj comes from the business house started by Jaman Lal Bajaj.
कर रहा है.
Who was Chaman Lal Bajaj?
Father of Rahul Bajaj.
No, Kamal Lal Bajaj.
Jaman Lal Bajaj, not Kamal.
He is not a father, ma'am.
Chaman Lal Bajaj. Chaman Lal Bajaj. बताइए कौन ग्रैंडफादर है, कौन फादर है? You must know the name.
Jamna Lal Bajaj.
Jamna Lal
मैम
Bajaj was
ग्रैंडफादर जमन लाल बजाज है मैम.
Yes.
Yeah.
पढ़ो तो.
He was awarded the third highest civilian award Padma Bhushan in 2001.
Okay.
In a recent interview for the Creating Emerging Markets project at the Harvard Business School.
In the US.
Yes. Bajaj Auto Limited is an Indian motorized vehicle producing company. Hello.
Ma'am can hear you, Pawan. You continue.
मैम कोई रिप्लाई नहीं दे रही है, कहाँ से
अरे वी आर हेयरिंग स्टार्ट बड़ी
Continue. You continue na, bro.
Yes, I am listening. Please continue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bajaj Auto is a part of Bajaj Group. It's founded by Jawaharlal Bajaj at Rajasthan in the 1930. It is based in Pune, Maharashtra, with plant in Chakkan, Pune, Valuj near Aurangabad, and Pantanagar in Uttaranchal. The oldest plant at Akudi, Pune now houses the R&D center ahead. Bajaj Auto makes the export automobiles, scooter, motorcycle, and auto rickshaw. The Forbes Global 2000 list of the year 2005 ranked Bajaj Auto at 1,946. It featured at 1,639 in Forbes 2011 list. Educational background of Rahul Bajaj. Honor degree in economics from Delhi University, a degree in law from Bombay University, and an MBA from Harvard Business School. He was appointed as a chief executive officer of Bajaj Auto in 1968 and took over later head of the Bajaj Group of companies. That's all for today.
Ma'am, I make the PPT of the assignment. Can I share the screen?
भाई कहाँ से डाउनलोड किया है? हमारे भाई हम भी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही बनाए हैं।
क्या है बोल रहा है डाउनलोड किया चुका है, छोड़ दो ना, तुम लोग के क्या जरूरत है।
अरे चुप रहो ना। सिर्फ अनिकेत बोलेगा और कोई नहीं। कुछ नहीं भाई।
गुज्जू भाई तुम्हारा कैमरा क्या ब्लर है?
Hello, please make a presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
बाकी लोग डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे।
यहाँ ही हो रहा है।
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Then can I start?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, about the content, what we briefly discussed about the Rahul Bajaj, the history of Rahul Bajaj, his education, establishment of company, Bajaj groups of company, and Rahul Bajaj play an important role in politics, and he take many awards and achievements. So, the biography of Rahul Bajaj. About the Rahul Bajaj. Rahul Bajaj is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the chairman in fire of the Indian Comrade Bajaj Group and the member of the parliament. He was born to Kalyam Bajaj and Sitri Bajaj on 10 June 1938, Kolkata. He was married to Rupa Bajaj from 1961 till her death in 2030. He has two sons, Rajiv Bajaj and Sanjeev Bajaj, who are the management of the Bajaj Group. He also has a daughter named as Sunita Kejriwal. He is the grandson of Sri Jamlal Bajaj, who was the Indian freedom fighter.
Very good.
Then we come to the history of the Rahul Bajaj. In 2001, he was awarded Padma Shri Bhushan. He was also awarded Legion of the Honor by the French government. After completing his education, the first job he got was the major responsibility of the CEO of the Bajaj Group in 1968. Under this lead, Bajaj Group saw a major turnover in the business and it became a big brand in automobiles. During the recession in earlier 2001, there was a great decline in the stock market. Also, due to the merging of the Honda and the Hero Group, he got a warning, and he was the time. It was that time Bajaj launched a Bajaj Pulsar. After automobile, Bajaj target other market too. He launched Bajaj Finance Group, Bajaj Home Appliances. He is also into the steel and alloy manufacture. So then we come to his education. Bajaj first complete his honors in economics from the Delhi University. After that, he pursued the law from Bombay University. He then went to the complete his MBA from Harvard Business School, Boston, USA. Then we come to the establishment of the company. After completing his education, the first job he got was the major responsibility of CEO of Bajaj Group in 1968. Under his lead, Bajaj Group saw a major turnover business and it became a big brand in automobile. During this recession in early 2001, there was a great decline in the stock market. And I think this I already say about the establishment of the company.
Yes,
So
yes.
next, Bajaj Group of the company. Bajaj have many companies. They own many companies. That's Bajaj Alliance Finance Distribution, Bajaj Auto Ltd, Bajaj Consumer Care, Bajaj Electricals, Bajaj Finance Solution, and many more. So, unlike Tata, Bajaj has also a competitor. And Rahul Bajaj in politics, he give a good role in politics. Rahul Bajaj was elected as the president of the Confederation of Indian Industry twice in 1979 to 1980 and 1999 to 2000. For this outstanding work to the Indian industry, then President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, present him CII President Award for a lifetime achievement.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
Then we come to the award and achievement.
अरे फोन खराब है तुम्हारा।
कौन बोला अरे फोन खराब है? ज्यादा दिमाग क्या लगा रहा है तुम?
Bro, like complete my.
अरे पहले उसको कंप्लीट तो करने दो।
हाँ भाई कंप्लीट करो।
Then we come to the awards and achievements. In 2001, he was awarded by Padma Bhushan. He was also awarded by Legion Honor by the French government. Bajaj became a president of the Confederation of Indian Industry in 1979 and then in 1999. He also became a president of the Society of India Automobile Manufacturers. Bajaj was also a chairman of Development Council of Automobile and Alliance Industry, also from 1986 to 1989. He was the chairman of Indian Airlines too. So he have a good achievement. That's all. Thank you.
Very good, bro.
मैम मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करूं?
हाँ यस वेरी गुड
मैम हम भी स्क्रीन शेयर करें।
ठीक है आप प्लीज डिस्टर्ब मत कीजिए आप लोग जो बच्चा बोल रहा है उसको लेट हिम मेक द प्रेजेंटेशन
रुकिए मैम हम कर रहे हैं एक सेकंड।
नहीं हो रहा है मैम।
नहीं हुआ
मैम आई वांट टू टोल
एरर बता रहा है।
ओके जब तक आप वेट कीजिए, somebody else start.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
नहीं हुआ।
Ma'am, I'm visual.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's start with the life story of Rahul Bajaj. First of all, I would like to show the content which I have covered in this presentation. Who is Rahul Bajaj? Childhood and personal life. His personal life, Rahul Bajaj early career, the obstacle during the survival of 2001 when the collide, the Bajaj Auto reinvented itself. The award and achievements of the Bajaj Group and the observation from his life. This is a famous quote from the Rahul Bajaj. The earlier organization made individuals. Today, individuals make organization. Rahul Bajaj. Hello.
Continue, bhai.
Hello.
Yeah,
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Rahul Bajaj is an Indian billionaire businessman. He renowned Indian entrepreneur and the chairman and the managing director of the Bajaj Group. He is also a politician and the philanthropist. According to the Forbes, the net worth of the world estimated around 2.6 billion. That's make him the 30th richest person of the India. Childhood and its personal life. He was born on 10th June 1938 in an Agrawal family, and his is the grandson of the Indian independence fighter Jamlal Bajaj. He was Bajaj is an alumni of Harvard Business School in US, St. Stephen's College, Delhi, Government Law College, Mumbai, and Cathedral and John Collins School. His son Rajiv Bajaj and Sanjeev Bajaj are also involved in management of his companies. His daughter Sunana is married to Manish Kejriwal, the former head of Temasek, India. The Rahul Bajaj early career. He became a part of Bajaj at the early stage. He became the part of a Bajaj as a deputy general manager. Being a very ambitious and ingenious, the Bajaj turned the small auto company into a global giant. Under his leadership, Bajaj Group saw its strength as the auto major crossed the billion mark turnover in just a decade. The initiation of the liberalization in the India by the PM Rajiv Gandhi posed a great challenge for the Bajaj Group. It's brought the threat of cheap imports and FDI from the top companies like Hero Honda. Bajaj became the famous as the head of Bombay Club, which opened this liberalization. The scooter sales dipped drastically as the person were more interested in motorcycle, and rival Hero Honda was an expert in it. In 2001, the Indian economy faced a recession and the stock market collapsed. This hit the company hard, and it was the precise that the Bajaj Auto was soon going to shut down. It established a world-class factory in Chalan and invested aggressively in R&D. It came up with the Bajaj Pulsar motorcycle, which is currently the market leader in its segment. I would like to talk about some award and achievement of the Rahul Bajaj. the 1975 Export Award from the Federation of India
अमन जी, ये रंजना मैम बोल रहे हैं कि लैब में कैमरा
Chambers of the
निकाल
Commerce
दीजिए।
and Industry. The 1895, the 1985 Economics Times and the Harvard Business School Association Award for the corporate performance. At last, the conclusion of my presentation is the Rahul Bajaj is the story of the and the rest, the hard work and the continuous evolution. The great the greatest attribute of the Mr. Bajaj is that they never let down, never the times go ahead of him, and kept its plane with the demand of the time. To not only survive the challenges of the fast-paced world, but also overcome the greatest.
कोरोना से बचो।
वैक्सीन ले लिया जी?
Ma'am, I would like to share the screen. Hello.
Very good presentation. Hello.
Ma'am, I would like to share the screen.
Wow.
Yes, please
Yes,
share the
thank you,
screen.
ma'am.
Yeah, share the
Thank you,
screen.
ma'am. मैम स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है ना?
हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है आपका।
बिल्कुल।
Good morning, mates. And today we discuss about Rahul Bajaj. But at first, now take a look on his childhood. On 10 June 1938, Rahul Bajaj was born in Marwari family in Kolkata, the son of Kamal Nayan Bajaj. He studied in Cathold and John Cannon School, Mumbai. He acquired his Bachelor of Arts degree from Stephen College in Delhi in 1958, majoring in economics, and did his Master in Business Administration from Harvard in 1964. He works in Bajaj Electrical while studying law in Mumbai and also as a junior purchase officer in Mukund Iron and Steel, and also a political relation. So let's take a look on his company, Bajaj Auto Limited. Bajaj Auto Limited is an Indian motorized vehicle producing company. Bajaj Auto is a part of Bajaj Group. It was founded by Jaman Lal Bajaj at Rajasthan in 1930s. It is based in Pune, Maharashtra, with plants in Chakan, Valuj near Aurangabad, and Pantnagar in Uttaranchal. The oldest plant at Pune now houses an R&D center ahead. Bajaj Auto makes and exports automobile, scooter, motorcycle, and the auto rickshaw. The Forbes Global 2000 list for the year 2005 ranked Bajaj Auto at 1,946. It features as 1639 in Forbes 2011 list. In 1980s, although it was tough time to get license and permits, Rahul as a man with willpower succeed in establishing factories at Akurdi and Valuj. In 1980, Bajaj Auto was India's top most scooter manufacturing company. After enjoying a decade of success, Bajaj Chetak was launched. The sale of two-wheeler was at its peak due to oil crisis, and two-wheelers were cheaper in price, maintenance, and more fuel efficient as compared to cars. There was a high demand for Chetak, and waiting time for the scooter was unbelievably high as 10 years. In 1986, Bajaj Auto was the only large Indian company without any foreign investment or partnership. Let's take a look on his journey. There was a fairly large responsibility for him. Rahul was made to involve himself in almost all departments in the company, including key departments in the company like marketing, accounts, purchase, and audit, etc. Except manufacturing, the company was gaining prominence as the two-wheeler market had begun to expand exponentially. A much bigger factory was needed to set up production, and eventually the factory moved to a sprawling premises in Agardi, Pune. The company, which had started manufacturing automobile in a garage outside Mumbai and had finally arrived. In 1972, Rahul's father passed away, and he became the managing director of Bajaj Auto. By this time, Firodia, solo leader of the company, which was poised for tremendous growth. Bajaj was awarded the Padma Bhushan by the government India in March 2001. Mr. Bajaj has received numerous prestigious awards and recognition, notable being the Padma Bhushan in 2001 Alumni Achievement Award by the Harvard Business School and Lifetime Achievement Award from the Economic Times and Ernst and Young and CNBC TV 18. Mr. Bajaj was appointed Knight in the Order of the Legion of Honor by the President of France in 2011. He has been conferred honorary doctorates by 4 universities and IIT Roorkee. He comes from the business houses started by Marwari businessman Jamanlal Bajaj. He is currently listed 34th on the Forbes list of richest people in India. Bajaj is married to Rupal.
प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे बनाया वाला तोरा बनाया वाला
क्या
लैपटॉप में मोबाइल में नेक्स्ट सिखाइबे न्यू
Now take a look his Rahul Bajaj business plan. In June 2016, Rahul Bajaj was elected as a Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra. Bajaj Auto is a part of the Bajaj Group, which employs over 20,000 people with a turnover of over US $3.2 billion. The group manufactures and his markets a range of products and services in India and abroad, including 2- and 3-wheelers, home appliances, lamps, wind energy, special alloy, and stainless steel, casting, cranes, foreign infrastructure development, material handling, equipment, travel general, and life insurance, and investment and financial services. Golden advice from Rahul Bajaj to current students: integrity and character matter. Without them, no amount of ability can get you anywhere. In addition, you need courage to make difficult decisions, for example, and the courage to oppose something if your consequence tells you you are right. Rahul Bajaj suggests MBA professionals to imbibe 4 essential qualities to succeed in the new millennium: listen effectively, think like an entrepreneur, cross-functionality, smart work combined with hard work. Over the last decade, the company has successfully changed its image from a scooter manufacturer to a two-wheeler manufacturer. Its product range encompasses scooter and motorcycle. Its real growth in number has come in the last 4 years after successful introduction of a few models in the motorcycle segment. Introduction of a few models in motorcycle segment. Third, Corporation Private Limited. It started off by selling imported 2- and 3-wheeler in India. In 1959, it obtained license from the government of India to manufacture 2- and 3-wheeler, and it went public in 1960s. In 1970s, it rolled out 1 lakh vehicle in 1977. It managed to produce and sell 1 lakh vehicles in a single financial year. In 1985, it started producing at Waluj near Aurangabad. In 1986, it managed to produce and sell 5 lakh vehicles in a single financial year. In 1995, it rolled out its 10th millionth vehicle and produced and sold 1 million vehicles in a year. He took over the reins of Bajaj Group in 1965. Under his stewardship, the turnover of the Bajaj Auto, the flagship company, has risen from 72 million to 46.16 billion. Rahul Bajaj created one of the India's best company in the difficult days of the license permit. He established factories at Okadi and Waluj. In 1980s, Bajaj Auto was top scooter producer in India, and its Chetak brand had a 10-year waiting period. Rahul Bajaj is the chairman and managing director of the Bajaj Group, which has been named amongst India's top 10 business groups. He is one of India's renowned industrialists and is internationally respected for his business expertise and entrepreneurial character. Now take a look at Rahul Bajaj's vision. Our efforts are consistently guided by following vision statements: to transform our knowledge and competencies to maximum profitability of our client, to offer quality services with integrity, sincerity, expertise, and professionalism to provide best value of addition to our client, to offer personalized services that takes into account all the relevant detail and the particular requirement of the client so as to for unparalleled quality solution. So that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, I would like to present the next.
All right, fine. Go ahead. Very good. Students are really working on, which is a very good sign.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Those who are making a presentation, they will be marked on 20. Marks will be given. Full marks is 20. So it is good that you make a presentation in a couple of days, so that I can include your marks in your assignment.
Can you see it?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's start with the presentation of Rahul Bajaj's success story. Excuse me. So, that's an overview of Rahul Bajaj's success story. Rahul Bajaj is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is currently the chairman of Bajaj Auto and head Bajaj Group. Bajaj comes from the business houses started by Jamna Lal Bajaj. He was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in 2001. In 2008, he split Bajaj Auto into 3 units: Bajaj Auto, Finance Company, Bajaj Finserv, and a holding company. His sons, Rajiv Bajaj and Sanjeev Bajaj, are now managing the day-to-day affairs of the company. Next to it, I have written something about his family history.
Good.
Rahul Bajaj belongs to a Marwari family originally from Rajasthan. The family moved over 100 years ago to Wardha near Maharashtra. Jamna Lal Bajaj, the founder of Bajaj Group, had a very close relationship with Mahatma Gandhi, who treated him as his 5th son. Jamna Lal Bajaj was also close to Nehru's family. He joined Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 on the famous 240-mile salt march from Sabarmati to Dandi. He was a supporter of Congress Party. During the 1930s, he started sugar and steel mills. He passed away in 1942. He left little for his 2 sons in terms of wealth and assets, as he had given away most of his wealth for Gandhi's constructive work. Jamna Lal Bajaj's elder son, Kamal Nayan Bajaj, grew up in Gandhi's and Vinoba Bhave's ashram in Wardha. He did not have a formal school education. However, he later went to Cambridge University. He had a brilliant business brain for finance and any other money matters. Rahul was born in 1938 in Calcutta. He spent his first few years of life living in Wardha before moving to Bombay with his parents. Rahul's uncle, Ram Krishna, was 8 years to Kamal Nayan, and was very much interested in social activities as well. After Kamal Nayan's death in 1972, at the age of 57, Ram Krishna became the head of joint family and business. Rahul became the head of Bajaj Auto, while his uncle remained the head of business and chairman of Bajaj Electricals and Sugar Company. Rahul was very close to his father. His father, before death, had been preparing Rahul for the role for 10 years. The family members were very much concerned for maintaining the joint family status. Now, there's something about Rahul's education. Rahul stayed at Gandhi Ashram until he was 7. In 1975, he moved to Mumbai from Wardha for the family business. He went to Cathedral and John Cannon Boys School in Mumbai from 1948 until he passed out in 1954. There, he excelled in sports as well as in studies. He completed his honors degree in 1958 in economics from St. Stephen's College in Delhi. Thereafter, he joined Bajaj Electricals for 2 years and parallelly completed LLB. He spent 1961 and most of 1962 at Mutand Steel Mill. He then went off to Harvard for MBA. He completed it in the class of 1964. He was then back to India to join Bajaj Auto. He also received Distinguished Alumni Award from Harvard in 2005. He also has an interesting love story with Rupa Bajaj, his better half. And about his company profile. The group manufactures and markets a range of products and services in India, abroad including. Number 1, 2 to 3 wheelers, 2 home appliances, lamps, wind energy, special alloy and stainless steel, castings, cranes, forgings. Its business also covers the following sectors: infrastructure development, material handling equipment, travel, general and life insurance investments, financial services, etc. Market capitalization of the group at present is over 8 billion US dollars. Now, some points about his achievements. Bajaj Group is among the top 10 business houses in India. Its footprint stretches over a wide range of industries spanning automobiles, home appliances, lighting, iron and steel, insurance, travel, and finance. The group's flagship company, Bajaj Auto, is ranked as the world's fourth largest 2- and 3-wheeler manufacturer, and the Bajaj brand is well known in over a dozen countries in Africa, Latin America, and Asia. Rahul Bajaj was elected as the president of Confederation of Indian Industry (CII) twice in 1979 to 1980 and 1999 to 2000. For his outstanding work to the Indian industry, the then President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, presented him CII President's Awards for Lifetime Achievement in 2017. Some additional achievements and awards of Rahul Bajaj. He was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in 2001. Rahul took over the charge of Bajaj Group in 1965. Under his leadership, Bajaj Auto has grown to a new heights after years. The turnover of Bajaj has risen from a mere rupees 72 million to rupees 46.16 billion. He created India's best companies in the difficult days of license permit Raj. He is a member of International Advisory Committee, and his expertise in these matters are tapped by the New York Stock Exchange. He was said to be the 20th richest man of India according to the Forbes India poll on top 40 richest persons in India. In 1975, Mr. Bajaj received the Man of the Year award from the National Institution of Quality Assurance. Rahul Bajaj was selected as Business India's Businessman of the Year in 1985. Thank you.
मैम may I?
मैम मैं शेयर करूं?
मैम may I?
मैम
may I?
may I share screen, ma'am?
Hello, ma'am.
There is no time, bro.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
मैम मुझे भी शेयर करना है अपना स्क्रीन.
Ma'am, share the screen.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yeah, okay. Everybody has to make a presentation. So this is no pick and choose. सबको करना है. और इससे क्वेश्चंस भी एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम में आते हैं. Yes, continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pawan. Roll number 30.
कंटेंट
Yeah.
इसमें कंटेंट है ये राहुल बजाज के प्रेजेंटेशन में. सबसे पहले तो उनके बारे में अबाउट राहुल बजाज, उसके बाद हिस्ट्री ऑफ राहुल बजाज. Rahul Bajaj was born on 10 June 1938. Is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the chairman emeritus of the Indian conglomerate Bajaj of the Indian group and a member of parliament. Bajaj comes from the business house started by Jamanlal Bajaj. He was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in 2001. In a recent interview for the Creating Emerging Market project at the Harvard Business School, USA. Then history of Rahul Bajaj. Bajaj Auto Limited is an Indian motorized vehicle producing company. Bajaj Auto is a part of Bajaj Group. It's sorry, my timing set. It's founded by Jamanlal Bajaj at Rajasthan in 1930. It's based in Pune, Maharashtra, with plant in Chakan, Pune, Waluj near Waluj near Aurangabad and Nagar. The oldest plant at Akurudi, Pune now houses the R&D center ahead. Bajaj Auto makes the import automobile, scooters, motorcycle, and auto rickshaw. The Forbes Global 2000 list of the year 2005 ranked Bajaj Auto at 1,900. Its feature at 1,639 includes of list. Also, in 98, to get license and Rahul, a man with power, succeed in establishing factory at Akurudi. Puri and Waluj. In 98, Bajaj Auto was Indian topmost scooter manufacturing company. After enjoying decade of Bajaj Chetak was launched, the wheeler was at
All right, your connection is snapped off, I think.
Ma'am, may I?
All right, this is what? Saurabh
Saurabh.
Kumar.
Yes,
Saurabh,
ma'am.
yes, continue.
Ma'am,
This is the
time
last.
हो चुका है, ma'am.
This is the last presentation. आप 5 minutes में wind up कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
Ma'am.
5 minutes, yeah. Saurabh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. An Indian industrialist and the member of Indian Parliament. Rahul Bajaj is an executive chairman and managing director of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. He was the 20th.
1 minute, आप screen share कर रहे हैं या speech दे रहे हैं?
Ma'am, there is something issue about the sharing of screen. That's why I am.
Okay, then you keep your camera on because we can't see anything. At least we can see you. Chalo.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. He was 20th richest Indian businessman listed by Forbes. Rahul Bajaj was born on 10th June 1938. He comes from the business house started by businessman Jamanlal Bajaj, his father. He was married to Rupamani and the couple have 2 sons, Rajiv Bajaj and Sanjeev Bajaj, and a daughter. Let's come about the education of Rahul Bajaj. Honored degree in economics from Delhi University and also a degree in law from Bombay University, MBA from Harvard Business School, USA. He was appointed as a chief executive office of Bajaj Auto in 1968 and took over later as a head of Bajaj Group of Companies. Rahul Bajaj has made his companies as 4th largest two-wheeler maker in the world. Under his stewardship, the turnover of Bajaj Auto Company rise from 72 million to 46.16 billion. Rahul Bajaj create one of the India's best companies in the difficult days, Licenses Pramit Raj. Establishment of company. In 1980s, Rahul Bajaj Auto was top scooter production in India and Chetak brand has 10 years waiting period. Rahul Bajaj create India's best companies in difficult days. Let's come about the Rahul Bajaj groups. Two-wheeler and three-wheelers, home appliances, lamps, wind energy, special allow, casting, and etc. That's all, ma'am.
Yeah. ठीक है. Those students who have presented Rahul Bajaj, they can move on to know about Subhash Chandra and then Narayan Murthy. 3 लोगों की success stories आप लोगों को जानना है, and which is a very important part of your syllabus. And questions can come from Narayan Murthy or Rahul Bajaj or Subhash Chandra. तो ये कहानियां हैं जो आपको समझना है, जानना है. and know
मैम
them.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस।
Not Subhash Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra of Z Television Network. आपको कंटेंट मिला हुआ ना, किताब मिली हुई ना, उस किताब में आप पढ़ लीजिए सक्सेस स्टोरीज ऑफ सुभाष चंद्र।
मैम अपना प्रेजेंटेशन क्या दिखा सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल दिखा सकते हैं आप।
मैम
आज तो टाइम अप हो गया है। लेकिन
मैम पीपीटी कहाँ शेयर करना है?
क्या
मैम जो राहुल बजाज के बारे में बोल दिया वो सुभाष चंद्रा के बारे में भी बोलेगा?
यस यस, सबको बोलना है ना, आपको सबको सीखना है। ये आपको सेल्फ स्टडी दे रही है ताकि सिलेबस जल्दी कवर हो जाएगा। ठीक है
ओके
कुछ
मैम,
हम
देंगे
इससे
कल।
use कर सकते
पीपीटी
हैं।
बनाएंगे सुभाष चंद्रा के बारे में भी।
हाँ
ओके
पीपीटी बनाइए या बस जानिए उनके बारे में, बस जानिए, पॉइंट्स लिख लीजिए सो दैट you know something about him and you can give answer your questions in your exam. ठीक है, this is
ओके मैम।
study about your syllabus.
और क्या बोले
मैम मेरा पीपीटी
नारायण मूर्ति, सुभाष चंद्रा, राहुल बजाज एंड नारायण मूर्ति।
मैम तीनों का बनाना है प्रेजेंटेशन?
प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाना है, आप समझिए उनको, आप पॉइंट्स लिख लीजिए, उनके बारे में लिख लीजिए। पीपीटी बनाएंगे तो बेटर होगा, इसलिए कि आप बहुत कुछ जान पाएंगे और आपके थ्रू और भी लोग जान पाएंगे, शेयर कर पाएंगे आपके आप स्क्रीन को।
मैम तो ये तो असाइनमेंट
सर का लिंक आ गया।
ये तो प्रेजेंट करना होगा ना?
हाँ ये तो आपको कम से कम एक का प्रेजेंट करना है, जानना तीनों का है लेकिन एक का प्रेजेंट करना है। ठीक है
ओके मैम।
चलो, और आपको हम 10 मिनट का टाइम देंगे, जिसका जैसे एज एंड व्हेन कंप्लीट होता जाएगा वो सुनाया जाएगा। सिलेबस अपने रफ्तार पे चलेगी। ठीक है, और एजेंडा राइटिंग हम लोग करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, प्लस जो स्टूडेंट्स एटलीस्ट 5 स्टूडेंट्स का प्रेजेंटेशन भी देख लेंगे हम। तो कम प्रिपेयर्ड, दोज हु हैव टारगेट होना चाहिए तीनों का। ठीक है, तीनों 3% का सक्सेस स्टोरीज आपको जानना है। ठीक है चलो फाइन।
बाय मैम।
थैंक यू मैम।